Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's all about hygiene, sustainability, and convenience. We're reviewing the top 5 handheld bidets currently available on the market. Whether you're looking to save money on toilet paper, want a more eco-friendly option, or simply want the cleanest experience possible, we've got you covered. All the product links are in the description below, so let's jump right in. At number 5, we have the Portable Bidet Travel Large Capacity 450 milliliters by Fufu, the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $8.98. This travel-friendly device is perfect for anyone on the go who values hygiene and convenience. With its lightweight design and no need for batteries, it's as simple as fill, squeeze, and clean. The long-reach nozzle ensures precise control, making it a great choice for postpartum care, menstruation, or even treating hemorrhoids. The design is toxin-free and eco-friendly, giving you a sustainable alternative to toilet paper. It's small enough to fit in your travel bag, but offers a generous 450 milliliter capacity, so you have enough water for a thorough cleanse in a single use. However, the plastic build feels less durable than the more premium options on this list, which might not hold up to daily use over time. If you're looking for a cost-effective, portable solution for occasional use, this is a fantastic option. However, it lacks the multifunctionality and adjustability of the higher-end models. Pros include affordability, portability, and ease of use. On the downside, it's not ideal for heavy-duty or long-term use. Coming in at number 4 is the Vaseline Handheld Toilet Bidet Sprayer, priced at $15.88. This product strikes a great balance between cost and quality. Made from stainless steel with a solid brass valve, this bidet sprayer is built to last. It features a leak-proof stainless steel braided hose, ensuring reliable and consistent performance over time. What sets this one apart is its adjustable water flow, allowing for both gentle sprays and powerful streams. It's versatile enough to serve multiple purposes, from personal hygiene and cloth diaper cleaning to pet washing and toilet cleaning. Installation is straightforward and doesn't require professional plumbing services, although users should ensure their toilet tank and water supply line are compatible with the 7/8-inch size. While it offers great value, the slightly smaller profile and simpler design might not appeal to those who want a more premium look or feel. Pros include its durable build, adjustable pressure, and multifunctionality. The cons? It's not as visually polished as some of the higher-end models, and the water pressure control, while good, doesn't feel as precise as higher-ranked products. In third place, we have the Britulif Handheld Bidet Sprayer, priced at $18.98. This model stands out with its hybrid design, which includes a nylon T-valve, brass faucet valve, and stainless steel sprayer, ensuring a leak-proof and durable experience. The ergonomic design is both functional and comfortable, making it easy to control water pressure with the lever handle. This bidet sprayer offers 2 mounting options, wall or toilet tank, giving you flexibility in installation. The adjustable water pressure makes it suitable for everything from gentle feminine care to high-pressure cleaning tasks like cloth diaper rinsing or bathroom maintenance. Its overall build quality feels robust, and the brushed nickel finish resists fingerprints and corrosion nicely. However, at this price point, it doesn't have the same level of polish or fine-tuned adjustability as our top 2 picks. Pros include its durable construction, versatile mounting options, and adjustable spray. Cons are that the installation process may require extra attention to detail due to the hybrid design, and it's not as sleek as higher-end models. The runner-up on our list is the Pugray New Version Handheld Bidet Sprayer, also priced at $18.98. This product offers exceptional performance and durability with its 304 stainless steel construction and lead-free brass components. The reinforced hose is designed to withstand high pressure, and the brushed finish gives it a modern, sleek look. What makes this bidet sprayer unique is its ability to serve a variety of purposes, from intimate care for women to cloth diaper cleaning and even pet washing. The adjustable water pressure is easy to control and provides a thorough clean every time. Installation is quick and easy with all necessary components included and no professional plumber required. The dual mounting options, wall or toilet tank, add to its versatility. While it ticks almost every box, the slightly higher weight could be a factor for some users, and it doesn't offer as many premium features as our top pick. Pros include the durable build, versatile functionality, and sleek design. Cons are its weight and the lack of a more refined adjustable spray mechanism compared to the #1 spot. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Perfect Zone Bidet Sprayer for Toilet, priced at $25.99. This premium handheld bidet justifies its higher price with exceptional build quality, performance, and ease of use. Made entirely from stainless steel, including the sprayer, lever, and hose, it's built to last and resist corrosion. The adjustable water flow is incredibly precise, allowing you to switch between a gentle spray and a powerful jet with ease. This sprayer is perfect for a wide range of uses, including personal hygiene, cloth diaper cleaning, and even pet grooming. The 47-inch hose gives you plenty of reach, and installation is a breeze with the included DIY kit. No plumber? No problem. The Perfect Zone also stands out for its eco-friendly and cost-saving benefits, helping you cut down on toilet paper use. The only downside here is the price. It's the most expensive option on our list. However, if you're looking for a premium all-in-one solution that combines durability, functionality, and style, this is the one to get. Pros include its superior build quality, adjustable water flow, and multi-purpose design. The only con, it's a bit of an investment, but one that's worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this detailed comparison of the top 5 handheld bidets on the market. If this video helped you make a decision, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help you out. Until next time, stay clean and stay awesome.